Shalom, I'm going to show you how to type in Hebrew even if you don't have a Hebrew keyboard. So as you can see, I'm on a website here, gate2home.com/Hebrew-keyboard. And I have this bookmarked, I use it all the time. So as you can see, there's a place in here where you can type. I have a lot saved here from before. And you have two choices. You can go through and you could click on the letters that you see on this virtual keyboard on the screen. I'm using my mouse to do that. Or you can look at what English letter is associated with that Hebrew letter, so that way you can find what to type next, and you can just type on your keyboard. Once you have the phrase or the word or whatever it is that you want, you simply have to highlight it. So I'm clicking and dragging with my mouse, and you can hit Control C on a PC or Command C on a Mac to copy it. And then when you go somewhere else, I'll just open another web browser here, you hit Control V to paste in a PC or Command V to paste for a Mac. And there you have it.